I'll be showing you step by step how to use discounts on your Shopify store. So let's navigate to our Shopify admin and I'll show you how the customers can use discounts. So first, let's open up our Shopify store. I'm going to click this View Your Online Store button here on the left-hand side so we can actually open it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go add this product to my cart here. This way we can go and actually apply a discount. So it's now been added to my cart. I click out of these pop-ups and click the cart icon. I then want to click the checkout button here. It's kind of being covered up at the bottom. And here I'm brought to the checkout section of the Shopify store. And so the way a customer is going to enter in their discount is with this discount code section during the checkout sequence. Shopify has an extremely optimized checkout with billions of dollars in transaction volume being processed through. This is what they've determined is the best way for a customer to enter in their discount code. So you can just paste in the code or enter it here. Let's say it's free shipping. Then the customer is going to hit apply. To note, I don't have a discount code for this, so it's going to show an error. Now, depending on your Shopify theme as well, the discount might be enterable on the cart page, or it can show the discount that isn't officially applied until the checkout sequence. Now, to note, if you don't have any discounts on your store already, we can head back to the Shopify admin, head down to the discounts section, and this is going to be a page in which you can create new discount codes or edit existing ones. So to create a new one, we can just head to the top right here and we get several options. I have a full breakdown on my channel on how to create these and which type of options works for your store. But if we simply select one, we can go create a code, free shipping. We can set the percentage value. So maybe free shipping is not the right name, but then you can create this, hit save, and then you can go and enter that code during the checkout. So in conclusion, that's how you use your discounts in your Shopify store. It's going to be through the checkout sequence when the customer is completing their order. And depending on the Shopify theme, you can also have it applied in the cart section. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor PRODKIT comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can see how profitable your store actually is. It syncs seamlessly with all your different ad platforms and has many different cost of goods sold integrations such as CJ Dropshipping, Printify, Printful, ShipHero, and many others. You're going to get a ton of different analytics, reports, and metrics so you can decide how to make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store by searching for PRODKIT and then looking for this logo in the top left. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like button below, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.